Hey guys, this is the John and Zach Show. Illustrating the signal issues with the Verizon LTE Galaxy Nexus. And we got about 2 bars. And if you go and do speed test application, signal strength, use your right hand, start the speed test. Right hand, as it's placed right now, we will get right about 1.5 megs, 1.5 megabits a second download speed. And then uploads right around, we're getting 800K, 845, right about 845K. And then, if you switch hands, use your left hand, same exact location, with 2 bars as well, start the speed test, you will get 900 to 1 meg, right at 1 meg, down. See, we're still only getting 1 meg download, 1 megabit per second download speed with the left hand. And then on upload, it's quite a bit worse. 500K, 568, 570. So if you use your left hand, 1 megabit per second download, 500K upload. So if you use your left hand for some reason on the right side of the phone, you're blocking the antenna or something, etc. But if you use the right hand, then it frees up the left side of the phone, and you get good download speeds. So you'll get, good signal strength, good download speeds, etc. So thanks guys, and let us know what you think.